You call that a burp?
I love him, come on. Some people can't burp.
Like, okay, I could totally burp here, guys. Don't worry. Wait, just let me have a little bit more soda, and I will totally be burping like crazy. I can burp. Don't think I can't burp. Ready for it? 1, 2, 3. Hiccup.
That's not a burp. That's a freaking hiccup.
That was a nice hiccup.
Okay, guys, I know that hiccup is pretty bad, but just give me one more shot. One more. Come on. Okay, just got try real hard to burp and oh god, I think my nose is bleeding. Oh god. Oh man, my nose is bleeding. Just get me a towel, guys. Just get me a towel, and I think let me try one more time. Let me get a towel.
Okay, you can't even burp. All you do is get a bloody nose. You're such a big baby.
Josh, stop trying to burp. It's not worth it.
Okay, guys, just let me try one more time. Okay? I know I said last time one more time, but I just need one more try. Okay.
Ew, what did you just do? You just threw up all over my floor. What are you doing?
Josh, maybe we should get you to the hospital because you don't look too good.
Screw my health, guys. I don't care. I'm going to take another sip, and I'm going to burp so loud, and you're going to see. I'm going to prove you and you wrong. I don't need your pity, and I'll show you who's boss.
See? Oh my gosh, Josh. I knew you could do it. That was a fantastic burp.
I know. That was a pretty awesome.
Josh, are you okay?
No,
Are you okay? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Your ear! It's bleeding! You're not breathing! There's some kind of smell coming out of your body. Are you okay there?